So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Xyrille Rhane at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at i-click mo na ang bell button para notified ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bago kong video. So ayun, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng drunk blush plus Freckles makeup tutorial. So yun, without further ado, let's get started. So, first is mag-a-apply muna tayo ng BB cream. Ang gamit ko ay BB Holic Natural. Looking coverage provides the benefit of both skincare and makeup. Ito yung gamit ko, guys. Binasa ko pa yung ano nila. Yan. So, maglalagay lang tayo napaka-unti lang. As in, unti lang. Guys, kumuha ko ng brush. Ito yung gamit. Kakalat ko lang siya. Kasi nga, nagtali lang ako. And next naman natin is, ito, magkikilay tayo. Pero onti lang kasi hindi talaga ako magkikilay. So, parang hindi ko na rin siya mag-iba brush. Parang ano lang, yan, lalagyan ko lang. So guys, after ko mag-kilay, mag-ano lang ako, puti naman, mag-eyeshadow lang ako, and onti lang, light lang po. So gagamitin natin ay ito lang yung Teddy. Guys, next naman natin ay mag-eyeliner tsaka kung mag-eyeliner ng ganyan, onti lang, magmamaskara naman tayo and i-curl ko muna yung aking eyelash. After natin mag-mascara, lalagay naman ako ng clay blush sa aking pisngi. Natin mag-blush, isa-set na natin yung mukha natin gamit tong Nichido Final Powder. Yan, may scotch tape pa dito. So, isa-set na natin yung face motif. hintayin natin i-set yung mukha natin ng final powder, ay maglalagay na tayo ng freckles at gamit to ulit na detail eyebrow pencil. Parang hindi siya effective. Walang tuldok-tuldok na nangyayari. Dito lang sa ilong lang nagkakaroon. And then, after natin maglagay ng peking freckles sa ating mukha, ay magli-lip tint na tayo, guys. So, gamit ko tong lip tint na to, galing sa Beauty Cosmetics. So, lip tint lang tayo, and pure. So, ayun guys, tapos na siya. Mag-aayos lang ako and I'll be right back. Palit ako ng damit and maglalagay tayo ng earrings para maganda naman tingnan tong ating look. Ay gosh, ayaw na pumasok. Ay pumasok. Baka balik. Naman tayo. Nawawala yung butas. Okay, so kabit ko ng earrings and aura na tayo in 3, 2, 1.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from?
Ayun guys, tapos na ating video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. At mabago ka sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na at click mo na ang bell button para notified ka every time na magpo-post ako ng bago kong video. So ayun, see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you so much for watching.